How to quickly, very fast Looksmax step-by-step guide. What if the version of you that turns heads, commands respect, and feels completely confident has been there all along, just waiting for a few smart upgrades? Not a total transformation, not a different face, not becoming someone else, just unlocking your highest visual potential. That is what Looksmaxing is really about. In recent years, the idea of Looksmaxing has gained traction across social media, self-improvement communities, and lifestyle spaces. At its core, it simply means optimizing your appearance in a healthy, intentional way. It's not about chasing unrealistic perfection. It's about refining what you already have, enhancing, polishing, presenting yourself at your best. And today, we are going step by step through how to quickly improve your appearance in a way that is practical, realistic, and sustainable. This is not about extreme measures. It is not about obsessing over flaws. It is about understanding the fundamentals that create immediate impact. Because here is the truth. Small upgrades, applied correctly, can create dramatic results. Let's begin. The foundation: grooming and cleanliness. If you only remember one thing from this entire guide, remember this: grooming is power. Before expensive clothes, before advanced skincare, before trendy haircuts, cleanliness and grooming create the baseline for attractiveness.
Start with your skin. You do not need a complicated routine. In fact, simple and consistent beats complicated and inconsistent every time. Cleanse your face gently every day. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. If you are exposed to sunlight, protect your skin appropriately. Over time, this alone can dramatically improve clarity and texture. Then look at your hair. Healthy hair signals vitality. Find a hairstyle that complements your face shape. If you are unsure what works, observe people with similar features whose style you admire. A clean haircut that frames your face properly can completely change how others perceive you. Facial hair, if you wear it, should look intentional, not accidental. Whether clean-shaven or bearded, the key is sharp lines and maintenance. Unkempt facial hair can instantly lower perceived effort. Well-groomed facial hair does the opposite. Now zoom out. Nails trimmed, breath fresh, clothes clean, shoes not worn down. These may sound basic, but you'd be surprised how many people skip these fundamentals while chasing advanced tactics. The fastest visible upgrade often comes from mastering the basics. Posture, the invisible multiplier. Here is something fascinating. Two people can have similar facial features, similar clothing, similar grooming. Yet one seems magnetic and the other fades into the background. The difference is often posture. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed but not slouched, chin parallel to the ground, movements deliberate, not rushed. Good posture does more than change how others see you. It changes how you feel about yourself. When your body signals confidence, your mind tends to follow.
And this is where Looksmaxing becomes deeper than surface-level changes. Your presence matters. Practice walking with calm control. Avoid fidgeting. When sitting, avoid collapsing into yourself. These adjustments take awareness at first, but once internalized, they become automatic. Clothing: fit over flash. Let's address clothing, because this is where many people go wrong. They chase trends, they buy flashy pieces, they copy influencers whose body types are completely different from theirs. But here's the secret. Fit matters more than brand, more than price, more than trend. Clothes that fit your body properly create clean lines. They highlight your strengths and minimize distractions. Tailored or well-fitted garments can elevate even simple outfits. Stick to neutral, versatile colors if you are unsure where to start. Clean silhouettes, balanced proportions. You do not need an enormous wardrobe. A few well-chosen pieces that mix and match effortlessly can do far more than a closet full of random items. And pay attention to footwear. Shoes quietly signal attention to detail. Clean, well-maintained shoes can complete an outfit in a powerful way. Fitness and body composition. Now let's talk about something that creates one of the biggest transformations: your physique. Improving your body composition is not about chasing extreme standards. It is about health, strength, and structure. Regular strength training builds muscle definition and improves posture. Cardiovascular activity supports overall health and energy.
A balanced diet fuels both. The changes may not happen overnight, but here's the interesting part. Once you begin taking care of your body, your face often improves as well. Skin clarity, jawline definition, overall vitality. Consistency is the key. You do not need perfection. You need discipline over time. And here's something that does not get mentioned enough. Fitness is not just about appearance. It builds confidence, it improves mood, it enhances resilience. All of these internal shifts translate externally. You start to move differently, speak differently, carry yourself differently. That is powerful. Facial optimization without extremes. There is a lot of public discussion online about dramatic cosmetic procedures and extreme alterations. It is important to approach these conversations responsibly. According to available information from medical professionals, non-invasive improvements such as better skincare, proper hydration, healthy sleep patterns, and managing stress often create significant visual benefits without the risks associated with more drastic measures.
Sleep, in particular, is underrated. Consistent, quality rest reduces under-eye circles, improves skin texture, and balances hormones. Hydration supports elasticity and clarity. If someone chooses to explore cosmetic options, it should always be done under professional medical guidance with realistic expectations. However, for most people, optimizing grooming, health, and style creates more than enough improvement. Sometimes the biggest glow-up is simply removing neglect. Communication and social energy. This is where we reach a turning point. Because looksmaxing is not only about how you look when you are silent, it is about how you look when you speak, your voice tone, your eye contact, your facial expressions. A warm smile can make average features unforgettable. Practice steady eye contact during conversations, not staring aggressively, but engaged and present. Listen actively, nod naturally, respond thoughtfully. Charisma often outweighs symmetry. And here is something powerful. When you genuinely feel good about your appearance, your social interactions become smoother. That confidence is contagious. Midway reset, the real secret. At this point, you might be thinking, this all sounds straightforward.
And you are right, because the real secret to quickly improving your appearance is not some hidden trick. It is stacking fundamentals. But here's the deeper layer. Most people know what they should do. They just do not do it consistently. This is where you separate yourself. Imagine applying everything we have discussed for a sustained period. Grooming sharp, posture strong, fitness routine active, wardrobe refined, sleep optimized. The compounding effect is dramatic. And here's the secondary hook. What if the version of you that feels unstoppable is only a few disciplined habits away? Not a different genetic lottery, not a different life, just daily choices aligned with your highest standard. That realization alone can change everything. Mindset, the internal upgrade. There is one final element that ties everything together. Mindset. If you constantly criticize yourself, obsess over perceived flaws, or compare yourself unfairly to edited images online, no amount of external improvement will feel enough. Shift your focus from perfection to progress. Celebrate small upgrades, notice improvements, acknowledge effort.
Confidence grows from keeping promises to yourself. And when you walk into a room knowing you have done the work, even subtly, that internal assurance shows on your face. People sense it. They may not know exactly why they are drawn to you, but they feel it. Environment and lifestyle signals. Take a look at your environment, the spaces you spend time in, your digital presence, the energy you surround yourself with. Clean, organized environments reduce stress and sharpen your focus. Your online presence, if you choose to have one, should reflect who you genuinely are. Authenticity is attractive. Associate with people who uplift you. Positive environments reinforce positive habits. Over time, your entire lifestyle begins to signal self-respect, and self-respect is deeply attractive. Long-term sustainability. Quick improvements are motivating, but sustainable transformation creates lasting impact. Avoid extreme crash diets or overtraining. Avoid spending beyond your means to chase an image. Avoid comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 10. Instead, build systems. Simple routines you can maintain without burnout. Morning grooming ritual, weekly fitness sessions, periodic wardrobe upgrades, consistent sleep schedule. Sustainability turns temporary effort into identity.
You do not just look improved, you become someone who takes care of themselves. The final reflection. Close your eyes for a moment and picture yourself walking into a room. Your clothes fit perfectly, your posture is strong, your skin looks clear and healthy, your hair is styled intentionally, your movements are calm, your presence is confident. Now imagine that this version of you is not a fantasy, it is a direction. Every choice you make either moves you toward it or away from it. Looksmaxing, at its healthiest, is not vanity, it is self-respect made visible. And when done responsibly and sustainably, it becomes an act of discipline and growth. The world responds to how you present yourself, but more importantly, you respond to how you treat yourself. So start today, not with overwhelm, not with extremes, just with one upgrade, then another, and watch how quickly your reflection begins to change. If this guide helped you see Looksmaxing from a clearer, healthier perspective, make sure to like this video so more people can discover it. Subscribe to the channel for more self-improvement content designed to elevate every area of your life. And most importantly, share your thoughts in the comments. What is the first upgrade you are committing to? Your transformation begins the moment you decide it does, and that moment can be right now.